Let's see how to set up WhatsApp Business API. Open browser. Search WaBM. You will see WaBM's website, WaBM.in. Click on it. Now click on Start Free Trial. It will redirect you on a sign-up registration form. Fill in your details like your first name, last name, business type, business name, your phone number, your email ID. Then click on Sign Up. You will receive a confirmation email, and the onboarding team will contact you after reviewing your information within a few hours. After successfully reviewing your information, you will receive WaBM credentials on your email. To access your WaBM account, click on the link here and use the corporate ID, agent name, and password as mentioned in the email. You can change your password later. Now click on Login and click on Let's Get Started. You will see a Set Up WhatsApp Business button. Click on it and keep following the on-screen instructions. Log into the Facebook account that you want to use to manage the WhatsApp business, if not already logged in. You can select the WhatsApp business portfolio or create a new one based on your requirements. Type your business name as mentioned in the government documents and fill in other information. Click Next. Now we have to create a WhatsApp business account and WhatsApp profile. So just click on Next. Now for WhatsApp business account name, type your business name as mentioned in the government documents and type the display name which will be displayed to your customers when they receive your message on WhatsApp. Now select the category. If you don't see your category, just click on Other and click Next. Now, select the country code and type the phone number which you want to register on WhatsApp. Please note that if this phone number is already active on your phone's WhatsApp, you will have to delete that WhatsApp account first from WhatsApp settings. Click Next. Type the verification code that you have received and click Continue. WhatsApp will take some time to process this information. After it's done, click on Finish. You will now be redirected to the login page with Go to Dashboard button. Click on it and voila, it's done. You can now explore more options like the chat window, templates, contacts, and more, which we'll see in the next video.